everyone who's here tonight and to everyone who went out of their way. Kasi alam ko naman medyo malayo to, but this means so much to me to be able to celebrate my 15th anniversary dito sa lugar kung saan ako lumaki. So this just goes to show that your support goes beyond where I am, not even in this country but in this world. So maraming salamat. I truly appreciate that. Thank you. Okay guys! Our ticket holders that's here for the sound check especially. So for Diamond, bubunot tayo ng 10 winners, and for Platinum, bubunot tayo ng 5 winners, and then for VIP, bubunot po tayo ng 3 winners to win a signed Polaroid photo. Okay? So unahin muna natin ang 10 diamonds.
Anong color? Ito parang...
So, our first winner is 18B. Diamond, 18B. This is Mami A, let's go. 16D. 18B, 16D, 23C, tingnan natin muna. Ano 8? 18B. As in boy. B as in boy. 16D. 23C. Yung. Lower pa? Oh, lower to. 9D. Okay, next po natin. 24D. 24 dog. 24 dog.
Baka may nakapakan.
Congratulations po. A! 1A, akalain mo yun?
Dapat lower naman yun. Pagka-post pa. Aya!
Congratulations po. Next, 12E. 12E sa Diamond. 12E sa Diamond. Parang bingo lang. Then last 3, 11F. 11F sa Diamond. 11. Dito po. Congratulations. Next, 13E. 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 Aba, si Sir ulit. Sir, pasensyahan mo na, sir. Next, we have 5 for Platinum. Okay. 21F.
ngayon, di ba? But may we know kung sinong inspiration mo behind. Pwedeng bagay, tao. Can you tell us one or two people who is inspiring you? Na kilala namin o hindi namin kilala?
Yung totoo pong sagot. Kayo naman. Showbiz na naman agad kaya kayo naghiwa. Hindi, joke lang.
Alden, once and for all, Alden, please be truthful to us. Ay, patay ka!
I'm so honored, Your Honor. Your Honor,
We have been honest to you. We've been truthful to you. Once and for all, since 15 years ka na sa showbiz, I think we deserve a little something for us to be happy this Christmas.
Mami Jane, I mean, to answer your question,
Maski bagay lang ang nag-inspire sa'yo. Kung ayaw mo ng tao, bagay na lang.
Bagay na lang daw.
I mean, to answer that question truthfully, the
Yes.
reason why I keep on going and the reason why I keep on moving forward and, making parang deciding on to venture on different things is because of you, of our fans. Kayo pong lahat yon. I mean, hindi naman, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to, na merong nag-i-inspire. Of course, there are people behind, but it's really more of the reason why I'm moving forward and the reason why I wanted to really be a better person than I was yesterday in the industry.